Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix Dropbox sync issues, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Dropbox application on your computer. Check if Dropbox is running in the background. If it's not, launch it from your applications folder. Look for the Dropbox icon in the system tray or menu bar. Right-click on the icon to see its status. If it shows syncing issues, click on the icon to view details. Make sure you have an active internet connection. Test your internet speed to confirm it's stable. If your connection is weak, try resetting your router. Next, clear up some hard drive space on your device. Remove unnecessary files or transfer them to an external drive. Open your Dropbox folder and check for file synchronization. Look for any files that haven't synced. Common culprits include large files or complex file names. Check if your files exceed Dropbox maximum file size limit. Rename any problematic files to something simpler. Confirm that your account is not over the storage limit. If your storage is full, consider upgrading your plan. Ensure that the Dropbox application is updated to the latest version. Visit the official Dropbox website to download the latest version. If issues persist, try signing out and signing back into your account. Open the Dropbox application, go to Preferences, then Account. Click on the Sign Out button, then log back in. Restart your computer to resolve any system conflicts. Once restarted, relaunch the Dropbox application. Last, check Dropbox website for any ongoing service outages. Visit their status page for real-time updates. Follow these steps to resolve your sync issues effectively. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.